This presentation is about the classification of contributions in design research that takes into account how innovative or radical these contributions are. A design science contribution can take several different forms depending on how innovative it is and in what ways it is innovative. For example, it can be a radical innovation or a minor modification of an existing artifact. One way to classify types of design science contributions is to distinguish between solution maturity and application domain maturity. Here, application domain maturity is about the maturity of the practice for which the contribution is intended. And solution maturity is about the maturity of artifacts that could be used as a starting point for finding solutions. Based on these two dimensions, 4 kinds of design science contributions can be identified. Inventions are about new solutions for new problems. An invention is a radical innovation that addresses an unexplored problem and offers a novel and unexpected solution. Such a contribution can enable new practices and create the basis for new research fields. Some examples of inventions are the first automobile, the first X-ray machine, and the first data mining system. Inventions are rare and typically require broad knowledge and hard work, as well as ingenuity and a bit of luck. Improvements are about new solutions for known problems. An improvement addresses a known problem and offers a new solution or a substantial enhancement to an existing one. Improvements may, for example, reduce costs, increase safety, or improve usability. Some examples of improvements are the first sport car, an X-ray machine with low radiation, or a data mining system able to handle very large datasets. Improvements are probably the most common kind of design science contribution, and they can be challenging because a researcher needs to show that the proposed solution actually improves on the state of the art. Moving down in the matrix, we now look at the design science contributions where the starting point is some existing and well-known solution. Exaptation are about known solutions extended to new problems. An exaptation adapts an existing solution to a problem for which it wasn't originally intended. In other words, an existing artifact is repurposed or accepted to a new problem. For example, the chemical Warfarin was introduced as a rat poison, but later repurposed as a blood-thinning medicine. Gunpowder started out as a medical elixir in China. Centuries before, it was repurposed for powering fireworks and firearms. Exaptations do occur frequently in design science research. If you want to know a bit more about the story of Warfarin and how it was repurposed, please have a look at this video. Routine designs are about known solutions for known problems. A routine design is an incremental innovation that addresses a well-known problem by making minor modifications to an existing solution. Much of practical professional design is routine design. For example, the design of a new smartphone model with slightly better specifications than its predecessor. Routine designs typically don't count as design science contributions because they don't produce new knowledge of general interest, but they can still be valuable design contributions.